Welcome to FETW Insights Daily Iron Ore or Steel Updates 26 September 2025. Hi, I'm Dhaneshwar. Let's begin with today's key updates from the iron ore and steel market. The SGX contract settled at 103.65 per DMT in the noon closing hours, down by 2.12% from the previous settlement. The price has been fluctuating over the past month with a high of 105.85 and a low of 103.4, indicating some volatility in the market. Key factors influencing this movement include a drop in demand and a shift in global supply chain dynamics as seen from the price trend across the past few weeks. This downward movement suggests a bearish short-term outlook for the iron ore market. Turning to the Indian domestic market, the Indian domestic steel market moved in a downtrend today, with prices witnessing a slight decline across major hubs. Trading activity slowed down, influenced by reduced restocking from traders and a gradual decrease in demand from end users. Overall, the market reflected a negative sentiment with a downward bias in the near term. Pellet prices in India varies between 8,400 to 8,500 per ton ex-barbil, showing stable price. Pellet sponge trading levels around 24,400 to 24,500 in Raipur, down by 100 to 150 rupees. Domestic billet trading levels in Raipur at 36,500 to 36,600, down by 100 to 150 rupees. Rebar trading levels at Raipur 39,600 to 39,700 for the grade FE 500, down by 100 rupees. However, in southern India, the trading levels between rupees 43,000 to 45,500. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead with FETW Insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, join our community group through the link in the description to connect and engage further.